LEANOMS Group is the leading global rock drilling tools productivity partner, integrating professional R&D, manufacturing, market, and service system. Has over 20 years of experience in serving mining, quarry, geothermal, water well, and other drilling industries customers from over 90 countries. And successfully helped them increase productivity and reduce drilling costs. LEANOMS Rock Drilling Tools mainly includes DTH Hammer bit, drill pipe, HDD drilling tools, top hammer rock drilling tools, rotary bit, rotary pipe and sub, core drilling tools, drilling rig spare parts. And our factory has passed API and ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certification. We are confident to provide class-leading rock drilling tools for you. We pay great attention to the quality of each product. Our factory covers an area of 45,000 square meters. We have a total of 816 employees, including 700 skilled craftsmen, 30 quality control inspectors, and 20 R&D engineers with over 10 years of experience. And our factory comprises 468 advanced equipment and 11 production processes. All finished products are inspected. We have the ability and experience to provide you with a full solution to help you reduce drilling costs and create greater productivity. We aim to focus on drilling clients' requirements and challenges and continue to help them reduce drilling costs and create greater productivity. Make the drilling works more successful.